Did you know that a sneeze travels at a speed of about 100 miles per hour? Talk about a high-speed getaway. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of sneezes. It all starts with an irritating tickle in your nose, a rogue particle trying to make itself at home. Your body, however, is not one to be trifled with. It quickly sends a signal to your brain, and the brain in turn orders a full-scale evacuation. The chest muscles tighten, the throat shuts down, and then, bam! An explosive exit, faster than a race car speeding on a track, or a rocket shooting off into the sky. All this intricate process happens in a blink of an eye, making a sneeze one of your body's most impressive high-speed stunts. So the next time you sneeze, remember your body just pulled off a high-speed stunt. Your heart is a champ, beating around 100,000 times a day. That's more than how many times you'd blink in a week. Imagine the stamina required for such a feat. Now, if you thought the heart's job was just about thumping away all day, you're in for a surprise. This tireless muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout our bodies, delivering the oxygen and nutrients we need to survive. In essence, it's our own personal delivery service, working around the clock to keep us alive and kicking. Picture the heart as a marathon runner, constantly in motion, never slowing down. It's the ultimate endurance athlete, outpacing even the most dedicated of us. To put it into perspective, it's like running from New York to San Francisco 3 times. That's a cross-country trip your heart is taking every day, so make sure to take care of your heart. It's running a marathon every day. Here's a fun fact. Your tongue has around 10,000 taste buds. That's a lot of room for tasting chocolate cake, isn't it? Now let's delve a little deeper into the magic that is the human tongue. This muscular organ is a true multitasker. Not only does it allow us to savor the sweetness of a ripe strawberry or the tanginess of a lemon, but it also plays a crucial role in our ability to communicate. Imagine trying to pronounce words without it. It's a tongue twister in itself, isn't it? But that's not all. The tongue is also vital when it comes to swallowing. Each time you gulp down a bite, your tongue is helping to guide that food down the right path. From tasting to talking to swallowing, the tongue is truly an unsung hero of our bodies. So next time you enjoy a delicious meal, don't forget to thank your tongue. It's working hard to bring you those flavors. Our bodies are like a well-constructed building, and our bones are the steel beams. An adult human body has 206 of them. Yes, you heard it right. 206 sturdy pillars holding us upright, aiding in movement and providing shape. Imagine a skyscraper. It stands tall, defying gravity, thanks to the steel beams that form its skeleton. Similarly, our bones give us our structure, allowing us to stand tall, walk, run, and even dance. But they're not just the scaffolding of our body. They're also our bodyguards. Picture a knight in shining armor, a shield in one hand and a sword in the other. That's what our bones do. They protect our most vital organs. The skull houses the brain, the rib cage safeguards the heart and lungs, and the spine guards the nervous system. So remember, your bones are your body's superheroes, always ready to protect. Alright folks, it's time to wrap it up and let these facts simmer. We've taken a wild ride through the quirky quirks of our bodies. We've explored the sneaky sneezes that can blast out at a whopping 100 miles an hour. Bet you never thought your nose could be a speed demon, huh? Then we dove into the heart, that beats unbeatably around 100,000 times a day. It's like the Energizer bunny of our bodies, always going, never stopping. We've also uncovered the tantalizing tales of the tongue, the only muscle that works without any support from the skeleton. It's the lone wolf of our muscles, doing its own thing all day, every day. And speaking of skeletons, who knew that our bones are as strong as steel but as light as a bird? Remember, your body is a wonderland of crazy, cool, and downright weird facts. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.